the next person that you can see on your tray. Pass the mic to the next person that you can see on your tray. Anybody you like on the call. Now that Awaina is done, she can just say, I pass the mic to Aisha. So Aisha will pick up the mic and introduce herself. Then Aisha passes the mic to the next person so that we can have an interactive class and section. So hi, Aisha, my namesake. I really love that. You should unmute your mic, introduce yourself, and pass the mic to the next person. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, good day, everyone. My name is Alida Kwaita. I'm a 400 level nursing student of Lado Technical University of Technology. And I'm glad to be here. I'm glad I'm able to see an opportunity like this. So I'm passing the mic to Awa. Hi, Awa.
Hi everyone, my name is Hawa. I'm a PhD student of KTH Royal Institute of Technology in Sweden. Nice to meet you all, and I'd like to pass the mic to Faith.
Hello everyone, I'm Faith Wausi. I'm from Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya. I'm currently a software engineering student at Zitech University. I'm passing the mic to Stacy Nduta.
Hi everyone, thank you, Faith. My name is Stacy Nduta. I am the managing director at MC Studio. We're a venture studio based here in Kenya, Nairobi. So I'm excited to be here and to meet you all. I'm passing the mic to Regina.
Hi everyone, I'm Metrin Regina, currently in my final year here at Mary University. I'm pursuing business information and technology. I'm glad to be part of this program. Yeah, I'm so delighted. And I hope to learn more from you people. I'm passing the mic to Sylvia Na.
Is Sylvia there? I don't know if Sylvia is there. So yeah, Faith, are you there? Okay, Metrin, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, please introduce yourself. Thank you.
I finished introducing myself.
Oh, Regina, it's you. Hi, Nkata, are you there? Nkata introduces herself, then Olamide, then Charity, then we can get started.
Yes, I'm here. Hi.
Please introduce yourself, then pass the mic to Olamide, then Olamide pass the mic to Charity, then we can get started.
My name is Sharon Katha from Kenya. I'm a backend developer who is learning about blockchain, about Web3, yeah. I pass to Olamide or something. Yes, Olamide.
If Olamide is not there, hi Charity, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you hear me? Okay, please do your introduction. Okay, I don't know if Charity is there. I can't hear again. I don't know if Olamide is still here.
I'm Charity Claire.
Okay.
I'm in my final year also, and I'd like to learn about blockchain and gain skills and knowledge from you guys.
I'm honestly excited to have everyone here. First of all, I want to say all of you have awesome and beautiful voices. I'm like, what are these soft ladies that we are taking this time around? Honestly, I really, really enjoyed listening to you all. I really, really enjoyed it. And I am glad to have you guys. This is our introduction to blockchain by OneDev. As we all know, we are celebrating Women's Month, International Women's Month, which is March. And we at OneDev, we are definitely for inclusion. We are definitely for diversity when it comes to tech. We know the stereotype that goes on with, oh, women are not really like fit for tech and all of those stuff. And I am glad to see what women are actually doing in tech right now. And we are one there, we're a community that also supports women in tech and want to see more women get into tech. In as much as our community is a very, very diverse community of men and women, we'd love to see more women come into tech. And that's why we've said, oh, we want to have a section for this International Women's Month for more women to actually join us in this journey of understanding blockchain development. We know everybody is crazy about Web1, Web2, Web3 right now, Web3 basically right now. And we would love to have more women, to put more women on early, because Web3 is still very early, right? Which is why we've organized this bootcamp to help ladies get onboarded, to introduce them to the blockchain and blockchain development. So yeah, if you've registered and you've joined us, you definitely know the outline of this course because we put it in the flyer and we are glad to have you here. So yeah, that is it about introduction to blockchain. And honestly, if you are following, you would get our mails and you would get our reminder mails either from nowswhat.io or normal mail. And you've seen the profile of our mentor. Our mentor is somebody that has dealt with mentoring female in the tech space. He has taught the Tech for Dev fellow. If you know Tech for Dev, you would know it. He's also a LinkedIn learning instructor. That means if you use LinkedIn Learning to actually learn, he has a course on there that you could even take on blockchain. So you all are in very, very good hands. So we want to put the ladies on early, right? So yeah, that is why we have this bootcamp. So that's just like a slight introduction of the bootcamp. And I would honestly encourage us to see through to the end of this bootcamp. It is an introductory book, but it will give you like a very good ground for what you need to dive deeper. So I'll quickly just introduce us to OneDev, the community that is hosting this, right? OneDev is a community that is upskilling developers in the tech space, and we are not just only about Web3, we are about emerging technologies. You see technologies that are just coming into the space. We are about that, putting Africans on, whether you're a male, whether you're a female. So for you're an African, we want to put you on because we want you to be able to compete on the larger forefront, right? If you're at any place around the world and they're saying that where are these developers, we want African developers to be able to come out and be like, yeah, we are here, we are capable and we are building, right? So yeah, that is why OneDev actually exists. And we do this through our bootcamp, we do this through our free bootcamp, we do this through our paid bootcamps, we do this through our events that we organize, which is called Africa Conference, where we actually bring up developers like yourself and founders to find a common ground to actually like talk about innovative topics, right? So yeah, we've been pushing innovation, we've been pushing inclusion for African developers, we've been pushing growth for African developers through our bootcamps. We've had various bootcamps in the past and we've had participation. If you check, you see testimonials from our previous participants from our bootcamp, and yeah, they can actually testify that the bootcamp has been great. While we are doing this for free, we also have provisions for paid bootcamps, especially for those that want to go deeper into learning, right? They want a tutor-led learning kind of thing. You want to learn from a tutor and you want to be sure that you're learning on the right track. You have a well laid out curriculum that you can follow and you have a community that can assist you. I mean, after our boot camps, which is like 6, 7 months, some are even 8 months, we try to make sure that our participants get internship into a particular organization that needs their services, or maybe we even actually find opportunity for you, which is one thing that OneDev is doing, right? That's one thing that we are doing differently. We are not just bringing you in and letting you learn and letting you go. We are letting you learn and actually also finding you a placement if the opportunity comes up. We're also sharing opportunities with you, accessing opportunities and all of those stuff. Yeah, this is OneDev in a nutshell, right? I just quickly want to like, let me see if I can turn on my camera so that everybody can actually see me. My background is not very nice, but I'm trying to see if I can see a background to use. Okay, maybe I will do that after the class, Sha. But yeah, I wanted you guys to see the voice behind the Aishat Muhammad, the community manager. And you guys feel free to also send your messages in the Telegram channel. If you are yet to join the Telegram channel, while the lecture is on, I'll drop the link in the community, in the comment section so that you guys can join, right? Yeah, so I wouldn't want to take too much of our time. This is already 5:15, and this is a number, maybe along the line, our what's it called, founder and co-founder can join in. I mean, I think it's nice to just put it out there that our founder is a female and our co-founder is also a female. So yeah, just break barriers, right? Break barriers, do that thing. Yeah, be that girl in tech, right? I mean, there are people that are female in tech that I can actually mention off the top of my head that are doing great, great things. You guys don't limit yourself. And yeah, that is why we've created this section for just women in tech to celebrate the International Women's Month. Yeah. So I would quickly just read the bio of our let me see if I can pull it up. The bio of our instructor for you guys to know that we didn't come to play. I mean, we actually brought somebody that knows his onions, right? We didn't come here to play. So let me quickly share my screen so that I'm not talking off the top of my head and you guys can see what I'm talking about. So can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can somebody say,
Yes.
can somebody, okay,
The
great.
screen is visible.
Okay, great. So our instructor is Michael Fowley, and I have been working with Mr. Michael for quite a while now, and I can tell you that he's a fantastic instructor. He's very interactive when it comes to his section, and he would make sure that he carries you along. He's always hands-on, and I am sure you would enjoy this section from beginning to end. Michael Fowley is a course instructor at LinkedIn Learning and a blockchain technology facilitator at Tech for Dev. If you know Tech for Dev, you know that Tech for Dev actually like also train women in tech, and they are always hands-on with their teaching. He is responsible for training 150 plus women in blockchain development, transforming them from amateurs to top-notch professionals in less than a year. He has created and delivered engaging and informative courses on blockchain development, smart contracts, and Web3, and helped thousands of learners around the world to acquire the skills and knowledge that they need to enter and thrive in the blockchain industry. Michael Powale has been developing software solutions for over 8 years now. He has been developing normal software solutions using PHP, MySQL, and Git. And he has also been exploring and applying blockchain technologies for over 4 years. I mean, that's a lot. Using Solidity. His goal is to inspire and empower more people, especially women, to join and innovate the blockchain space. So yeah, if you're here, welcome. That is our, sorry. Oh, what am I doing? That is our what's it called? That is our instructor in brief. So yeah, just know that you are in good hands. So don't be scared. Relax, enjoy the lecture, and just come here with your undivided attention. Just make sure that you have your internet on and your undivided attention. Yeah. And I also want to mention that please, please, please feel free feel free to actually ask questions within the community. Mr. Michael is within the community. Anything that you don't understand, make sure you're asking questions. Yeah. So this is already 5:19, and at 5:20, Mr. Michael will start the lecture. I think we should be ending anything around 6:30, especially for those that are fasting, so that they can go and actually prepare and break their fast. We don't want to take too much time from everyone. So yeah, Mr. Michael, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Miss Aishat. Thank you for the brief introduction. As she has said, my name is Michael Fowley, and I'm going to be taking you on this wonderful journey with me. All right, so I'll be sharing my screen, and we are going to dive in together. Sorry, what do you say, Ayo?
Hi, Ayo, can you hear us? Can you please mute your mic? Let me see if I can do that. Mute everyone.
All right, muted. Please, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Mr. Mike, I think you can mute everyone from your end and just look at your settings. I don't have admin privileges right now. I would have done it. I'll just continue. I'll see if I can log in from second account and just gain admin privileges and do that.
All right. Well, I think everyone has made their, yeah. So I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, so is my screen visible? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, but we don't see anything on your screen. Although, yeah, your screen is visible now.
All right, thank you.
Very visible, yeah.
So you're welcome, everyone, once again. And the title to this class is Introduction to Blockchain. So the first question that people will ask you is, what is blockchain? And once you get it right, you'll know that you'll be able to, lecture people about what this is. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant record keeping. I'll go again. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant record keeping. Okay, so let me quickly take you to the 80s, 80s, 60s. Do you remember that when you go to the bank, there's nothing like, even if there is a laptop or even if there is a computer, maybe it will be one computer in the entire building, right? What they normally...
Our distance.
Miss Aisha, you're saying something?
Oh, sorry.
All right. So if you check banks, I mean, normal local banks at that time, they enter record into what we call ledger. All right. Do you still remember ledger? So ledger is where, that's a book whereby they enter everyone's record. What you are, what's it called? Trial balance. Yeah, crediting and, debiting. That's what they use at that time. Okay. So, but blockchain makes things easier, right? In the normal ledger, please, if your mic is on, you are distracting me. Please make sure your mic is muted. I'm the only one teaching here. Okay. Olamide, please mute your mic. All right, let's proceed. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant record keeping. Unlike traditional databases, blockchain is decentralized and maintained by a network of participants rather than a single entity. So blockchain is being maintained by a network, lots of participants, not that we have a single entity controlling it like central bank. All right. So that's an example of a single entity controlling finances. Let's go to the next slide. What are the key characteristics of blockchain technology? One of the first characteristics is decentralization. Okay, so it is decentralized. What do you mean by decentralization? Do you have an idea what decentralization means? It means that there's no single authority controls, there's no single authority controls the network. For an example, as I said earlier, central bank. Central bank controls everything the banks within a particular country will do. But this time around, nobody controls what anybody can do. You can do whatever you like. So that is the essence of decentralization. Okay, blockchain is decentralized. No single authority, so to say. All right. So can I proceed? Can I proceed, everyone?
Yes, sir. You
Please,
can.
we can also make use of our comment section. It would come in very, very handy.
Yes.
let's make use of our comment section. So yeah, that's great.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jet. All right, so let's move forward to immutability. Once data is recorded, it cannot be changed. For an example, we record a transaction that I withdraw $100. Just imagine that I have an access to the database and I can clear that record that I withdraw $100. Okay, so such can happen. That's an example of hacking. Can hack through and you clear the traces. People will not know that you have already withdrawn a particular amount of money. But in blockchain, there is a particular characteristics that we call immutability. Immutability means that once data is recorded, it cannot be changed. That's just the meaning. Once data is recorded, for an example, once you perform a transaction, say Mr. Michael withdraw $100 from his Trust Wallet or his Binance account, yeah, it is stored forever. I cannot change it. I don't have the access, I don't have the capacity to what? To alter whatever has been input. Do you understand? So that is what we call immutability. That's a very important and cogent characteristics in blockchain technology. Blockchain is what? Immutable. Don't forget, we have talked about decentralization. Blockchain is decentralized. Next, blockchain is immutable, meaning that once data is recorded, it cannot be changed. The next one is transparency. Blockchain is transparent. All transactions being performed on blockchain are visible to network participants. For an example, if Adedapo Aisha withdraw, let's say $200, I am going to see it on the public transaction chain that this wallet address has withdrawn $50 or any amount that the person has withdrawn. I'm going to see it. It's going to be visible. So if I send money to Miss Aishat and Miss Aishat is telling me that no, I've not received the money, I just go on the blockchain explorer, okay, and check, did she receive the money? I will see it. If she has received the money and she's lying, so the transparency is there. You cannot lie. Someone sent me money and I've not seen it. It's not possible. You will see it. So in blockchain technology, the transparency makes things easier for us. You cannot lie. You can't. And that's why people prefer to transact with blockchain. And with blockchain also, there's nothing like there's network delay and you cannot receive the amount you're processing, you cannot receive it now. Is till the next 24 hours. Who does that? Next 24 hours, that happens in normal banking system, but in blockchain technology, that will never happen. Okay, within seconds, I mean seconds, if you transfer money to me now, within seconds, I'm going to receive it. If I send you money now, within seconds, you are going to see, let's say max of 5 seconds, you are going to receive it from your hand. Okay, yeah, the transaction is transparent, it is fast, it is reliable. And also when we talk about the security, it uses cryptographic hashing to protect what? Data. Blockchain uses cryptographic hashing to what? To protect data. So any data being performed or any transaction being performed on blockchain, please, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, you're loud and clear.
All right, thank you. So any transaction being performed on blockchain is what is protected. Let's move to the next slide. We have key components of blockchain. Key components of blockchain. A block is a collection of data. A block is a collection of data. And which data are we talking about? We are talking about transactions. Okay, All those transactions that you are making, they are being stored in a what? In a block. Okay. So later time, I'm going to be sharing more light on blocks, transactions, and all. Okay. Next, we have each block contains a block header, transactions, and a hash. A hash for each block is what? Is unique. We have a unique hash for each transaction that you want, that you perform. Each transaction you perform is what? Is unique. Next is chain. Part of key components of blockchain, that's what we're still talking about. And the next is chain. Blocks are linked together in a chronological order, forming a what? A chain. Okay? Blocks are linked together in a chronological order, forming a what? A chain. And also, each block references the previous block using its hash, ensuring data integrity. What they are trying to say here is that there is a relationship between a present block and another block. Okay? There's a relationship between a block and the next block. So one block is linked to another block by what we call hash. Do we get that? A block is linked with another with what? With a hash. So now let's talk about nodes. Nodes. In blockchain technology, when we talk about computer nodes, they are computers that participate in blockchain network. Okay? These are computers that participate in what? Blockchain network. Now let's talk about different types of nodes. We have full nodes, light nodes, mining nodes. Okay? So let's talk about the full nodes. A full node stores a complete copy of the blockchain. Am I still audible, everyone? If I'm audible, you can drop it in the comment section. I am audible. Let me know if I'm still audible. Okay.
That's still very audible, Mr. Mike. We can hear you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Let's proceed. So I said we have types of nodes. What are nodes? These are the computers that we use to store information. Okay. These are not just the computers that help us to perform all these arithmetics, everything we do on blockchain. These are the computers we use. You have different type of nodes. You have the full nodes, light nodes, and mining nodes. A full node store a complete copy of the blockchain. So every transaction that is being performed is being stored completely on what? On full nodes. While the light node stores only necessary information for what? Quick verification. Don't worry, this slide is going to be available after the class. I will give you the slide after the class, so don't worry. So that's that about light node. Let's talk about the mining nodes. This node validates and add a new transaction in the proof of work blockchain. Okay. So proof of work, proof of stake, we are going to talk about that one tomorrow. But today we are talking about the key components of blockchain. We have talked about nodes. We are talking currently about the type of nodes that we have. We have the full nodes, we have the light nodes, we have the mining nodes. Full nodes store a complete copy of the blockchain. Light nodes store only necessary information for quick verification, while mining nodes validates and add new transactions in proof of work blockchain. So can I proceed? If you want me to proceed, drop it in the comment section. You can proceed. Drop it in the comment section, proceed. Just drop proceed in the comment section and I will proceed. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Drop proceed. Yeah, thank you, thank you. So I'll move forward now. Okay, so as you all know, I don't only teach the theoretical aspects, I like it when we practicalize it. So we are going to go to this website. I'll drop the link in the comment section now so that we can all try it out together. Okay, this makes the class to be more practical. So here's the link. I'll drop it in the chat box now. So I've dropped it already. Ladies, I've dropped it. So check it out. This is the website that we are going to be working with. And this website explains explicitly to us what we mean by hash or hashing algorithm in what? In blockchain. Are we on the same page? Everyone, I want you to go to this website. Once you are there, just drop it in the comment section. We are on the same page. Drop it in the comment section. We are on the same page. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Yes. More comments, more comments. I'm still waiting for more comments. More comments, please. More comments. I'm still waiting. I want everyone to be on the same page as I am. More comments, more comments. Yes, 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 yes. We are on the same page. All right, that's great, everyone. So this page we have is a demo website to let us know more about blockchain. Okay, this is just a website that was created to make blockchain a bit more practical. So with this website, I'll be explaining what we call hashing algorithm in blockchain. As I have said earlier, every information on blockchain is being hashed. So let me input the data and you will see the hash algorithm. So if I say this is Michael, all right, so you can see this is Michael. This is the hash. This is the SHA-256 hashing algorithm that blockchain uses for this is Michael. So it is 641 CB7986 CC43 97 E315 AB 2374 79592 E83 C916167 E2E 691 FF7F6A93 56752 DC4EB. All right. So that is the hashing algorithm forward for Michael, or for this is Michael. And if I change it to something else, you will see that the hashing will change. If I change it to Miss Aishat, Miss Aishat, check your DM. So if I change this to Miss Aishat, check your DM, it's going to automatically change the hash. Can you see the hash? Can you see the hash? You can see that the hash has what? The hash has changed. So everyone, write something there. Write your name. Just say My name is Mike. Okay, copy your hash, and drop it in the chat box. Copy your hash, drop it in the chat box. That's my hash. Everyone, copy your hash, drop it in the chat box. I'm waiting. Drop your hash, drop your hash. Everyone, drop your hash, drop your hash. Yes, brilliant, brilliant. You ladies are brilliant. Yes, 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 yes. You all are brilliant. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it. So that's the unique hash for whatever you have imputed. Yes, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. I like it, I like it. Yes, 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 yes. You're brilliant, you're brilliant. Yes. More responses, please. Yes, yes, ladies. More responses, more responses. Yes, I've only received like 7 responses. I need more, 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 more. Yeah. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Yes, 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 yes. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Yes, 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 yes. Keep dropping it. Keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Yes, 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 yes. Keep dropping it. I
Mr.
need
Michael.
more responses, please. More, 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 more responses. More responses. Yeah. All right. I think by now you now understand what we call hashing algorithm in blockchain technology. So right now I'll show
Mr.
you
Mike,
how to
can you
hash
hear me?
your specific. Is someone saying something?
Yeah, I'm saying something. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm saying that there's a question that says, is it, where is it, Seth? I'm coming. Does the hash changes even if you have the same text everywhere? Like if everybody is writing my name is Mike, does the hash changes on their own end?
Let me connect earpiece so that I can hear you better. Okay.
Okay. But does everyone understand the question that I just asked? I mean, if all of us are writing my name is Mike, does the hash changes? Or is
So
it the same hash that is giving Mr. Mike that is giving every other person?
I can hear you now. Can you hear me?
Yes. So in the question, it says, does the hash changes even if you have the same text all across? Say for instance, everybody is writing my name is Mike. Do you still have different hashes on your end? I mean, we
All
can
right.
do the practical.
If everyone writes my name is Mike, we are supposed to get different hashes from everyone because we are, we are typing it from different address. But should in case we have the same hash, right? Remember, this is just a website demo, right? This is just a website demo to show you how blockchain works. This website is not blockchain, remember? Okay? Are we together?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so can I proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please check your DM, Miss Aishat, on WhatsApp.
Okay.
All right, so let's proceed. That's that about hash. Okay, hash gives you different and unique long string. Okay, and it's comprised of numbers and alphabets. That's alphanumeric to make your hash unique and protected. Let's go to block. If you look at the upper side of the website, you will see hash and you will see block. So let's go to block. Click on block, and block is loading already. Yeah, so we have block. Everyone, are we on the same page? If you are not, please just click on block. That's all I did. Click on block. Are we on the same page? If yes, drop it in the comment section. We are on the same page. Just drop it in the comment section. We are on the same page. Yes, 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 yes. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Are we on the same page? That's the question. Are we on the same page? Yeah, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it, keep dropping it. Are we on the same page? Yes or no? Are we on the same page? Yes or no? All right. So this is a block in blockchain. In a block, we have what we call block, or you call it block number. And that's what you are seeing here. You can see this is number 1. You can increase it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Okay. But let's go back to block number 1. You can see nouns. This nouns represents the block ID or the transaction ID. All right. So this is the ID. This is the next available ID, whereby if you mine, it is going to occupy a block. Okay, that's the nouns. We also have a data. If you impute your data, we can mine. Let me go back again. We have a block. Do we write on the blockchain? And if so, where do we write? On blockchain, we can do anything there. We can keep information there. We can keep health record there. We can write anything there, right? But you can also perform transactions. But we are writing this so that you can see how the block are formed, how the hashes are made. That's the essence of this website. That's the essence of this demo website, okay? So this is the block number 1. Anytime you see block number 1, we call it Genesis block in blockchain. Genesis means the first block. So this is a Genesis block. Nouns, this is the number that it fits in. All right. Let me input a data. This is my genotype. All right. So this is my X record, and I'm trying to save it on the blockchain. So to save it, I need to mine. All right. So all I need to do is to click on mine. You can see that the background of my block, you can see that the background of my block has what? It has changed because I have not mined it yet. It needs to change to green, light green. Yeah, that means that it has mined or the information has been saved successfully. So let's mine my information now. Just click on mine, everyone. And once you click on mine, it is going to, mining is like saving. All right. We are trying to save the information on the blockchain. And as you can see, the background color has changed from baby pink to light green, which means that this information has been saved on this demo. This is a demo blockchain, just a way of showing you the practical aspect, okay? So this means that this information is now saved on the blockchain. Do we understand, everyone? If you understand, drop it in the comment section. I understand. Drop it in the comment section. I understand. Yes, everyone, drop it. If you understand everything I've taught you, drop it to the comment section. I understand. I want to make sure that you are following. I want to make sure that I'm carrying everyone along. So drop it in the comment section. Drop it. I understand. That's all I need from you. I understand. Okay, I need more responses. There's only few people that has responded. Others, please. All right, I think we can proceed now. So this is my genotype, okay? The information has been mined, right? So I believe we all understand this aspect. The next thing to do is to go to the blockchain section. You know, we have talked about hash, we have talked about block. Now let's go to blockchain section. Click on blockchain. All right, everyone, are we on the same page? If you're on the same page, just drop it in the comment section. We are on the same page. I'm now on the blockchain page. Yes, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. That's good, that's good. You ladies are brilliant. You ladies are brilliant. Okay, so we have talked about ash, we have talked about block. Now let's talk about blockchain. In a layman definition, or in a simple definition, blockchain is a combination of blocks that are linked together by a chain. Very simple. Combination of blocks linked together by chain. And what is that chain that links them together? That's the ash. Ash. Okay. Are we getting it? Now you can see that we have multiple blocks here. We have multiple blocks. Can you see? We have block 1, we have block 2, and we have what? Block 3. This time around, we are not just dealing with a single block. We are dealing with what? A multiple block. You can see block 1 as number 1, block 2 as number 2, block 3 as number what? Number 3, block 4 as number 4, block 5 as number what? Number 5. Now, let's go back to block 1. Block 1 has block number, which is 1. Nouns. Okay, nouns is also transaction ID and the data. So if I impute a data now that this is the first data. All right, you can see that every other block is showing baby pink, like baby pink background. What happens? Because the information in them before was blank. Now one has an information that is different from what's in the rest. So what am I going to do? I'm going to mine this particular transaction. I'm going to mine it. But before I mine it, I need you to observe some things. The previous hash is what? 0000000. While the current hash is this. Anytime you see block number 1, what did I call block number 1? Someone should drop it in the comment section. When I was teaching the other time, I said block number 1 has a name. What's the name? Someone should just drop it in the comment section. Yeah. That's good. Thank you, Awa. More comments, more comments. Genesis what? Is it just Genesis? Keep dropping, keep dropping. Yes. You ladies are brilliant. It is called Genesis block. Yeah, Genesis block. And that Genesis block is like the foundation of every other block. Good. So let's mine this. Let's mine it. Just click on mine. All right. And as you can see, we have been able to mine our block. We have been able to mine the transaction. Okay. And the background has changed to light green. Next, we have another block, which is block number what? Block number 2. But I need you to observe a similarity. Is there any similarity between block number 1 and block number 2? Everyone, is there a similarity between block number 1 and block number 2? If yes, drop the similarity in the comment section. If they are similar, drop the similarity. If they are not, drop your observation. So I want this to be interactive. So what's the similarity between block 1 and block 2? Everyone, ladies, I'm waiting. What's the similarity between block 1 and block 2? Oh, that's brilliant, Awa, that's brilliant. Well done, well done. Yes, more comments, please. It's not only Awa that we have in this class. Others, what do you notice? There's a similarity between block 1 and block 2. What is it? I'm waiting. Others, I'm waiting. There's a similarity between block 1 and block 2. What is it? Olamide Adedapo. Yes, yes. The block 1's hash is the same as block 2's previous hash. Very simple. Okay? Very simple. Okay? Now, the hash that was generated in the Genesis block is now the previous hash in the second block. Okay? So if I put in an information in second block, let's say Awa, let me just use your name. Let me see if I get it, Awa. All right. And I mine this block. Let's mine, please. If I mine it, you are going to see that there will be a synchronization between, we have a synchronization between block 1, block 2, and now block 2 has its own hash. Let's check block 3's previous hash. Block 3's previous hash is going to be what? Is going to be block 2's what? Hash. Let's check it out. Block 2's hash is quadruple 0, 0 in 4 places, EB77. This one also is quadruple 0, EB77. Can you see? We have the same thing. All right. So for block number 3, let me say this is for you, Miss Aishat. This is for you, Miss Aishat. All right. And if I click on mine, all right, the background color of block 3 is going to change from baby pink to what? To light green. All right. So I believe you are all getting it. The same thing goes for all these blocks. So ladies, I want you to try it out. Go to block 4, type in something and generate it. All right. Type in something and generate it.
Is it just me? I can't hear Mr. Michael again. Can you say in the comment section if you can still hear Mr. Michael?
All right. Are you trying it out?
Okay, we can hear you now.
Yes, I said everyone should try it out. Okay. Yes, I want everyone to mine block 4. Mine block 4, mine block 4, everyone. Yeah. So once you are done mining block 4, you can just unmute. Let me be calling you one after the other. Unmute yourself and let me share your experience. What do you see? Okay. Share your experience. What do you see? I'll start with Awa. Hello, Miss Awa.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. So while mining the block, what have you been able to learn and deduct?
Just basically the hash now, the hash and the previous. That's just
Okay.
what I've seen so far.
Okay. And you have seen a similarity between the hash and the previous?
Yeah, and also before you mine, the hash of that particular one you want to mine is different, but the moment you click on mine, it changes.
All right.
I don't know.
That's enough. Thank you, Miss Awa. Thank you. Can we also have Faith? Hi, Miss Faith. Let's hear from you, Miss Faith. Let's hear from you.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so I have also noticed that the hashes, the blocks are linked.
Okay.
So one hash is in the next block is recorded as the previous one.
I like that.
Another thing I've noticed, anytime I make a change on when I make a change on the already committed or mined block, I have to mine it again.
Okay, that's a nice observation. Thank you, Faith. All right, can we have Metrin? Hello, Metrin Regina. Hello.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm good. You? I hope
Yeah.
you're doing well. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. No, no, Mr. Mike can hear you. Hello, Mr. Mike, can you hear? Okay, so can you come again?
Hello.
Hello, Metrin, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Metrin Regina, I can hear you. Can you
tell
hear
us
me?
what you have observed?
Okay, I can
Can you hear
hear
me
you.
now?
Okay,
Yes, I
what
said,
I've
can
learned,
you tell us what you observed?
there is a relationship between blocks, between the hash of the previous block and the not the there is a relationship between the hash of the current block, and when you go to the other block, the hash will like the hash of the current block will be used as the previous hash. Yeah, I don't know if you can get me.
I think your network is a bit shaky. Metrin Regina, I think your network is a bit shaky because I can't really hear you very well from my
All right,
end.
let's move on to the next person. Can we have Adedapo? Hello, Miss Adedapo.
Hello, good evening, good day.
Good evening. Yeah.
So I learned that from the practical we did just now. So I learned that each block is connected by a chain, and the chain is otherwise known as the ash. That's why we see that the ash of a particular block is like the same when you mine. The pre-hash of the next block is the same with the first one or the previous one that we mined. I don't know if you get. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Like the ash is the reason why um it is the chain that connects the block. That is why you can see the similarity between each of the blocks. I don't know if you get me some.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can we move forward to Fame? Hello, Fame.
Hello, hello.
Yes. What do you observe, please? Why mining?
When I mine, I noticed that the hash function, the hash number, it starts with 4 zeros. And then when I mine the next block, the
Yeah.
same happens to the hash function. Yeah.
Thank you. Can we have Ayo? Hello, Ayo. Hello, Ayo. All right.
Hello.
Okay, Ayo, your up.
Yeah. So my network went off when you were explaining notes, but I tried generating the blocks, and when I mine the it changed from pink to green.
Okay, that's good. Well done. Yeah, so I'm going to call Stacy. Is Stacy here? Stacy?
Yes. So I also generated the hash, or rather, after mining, the red background turned to green, and I think that's the previous hash is for example, block one. Hash is what you'll see in the previous hash for block two.
Okay, that's good. Can we have Sylvia? Hello, Sylvia.
Can you hear me?
Please be audible, Sylvia.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
So one thing I've noticed is that after mining, the hash changes, the letters and the numbers changes, and it begins with 4 zeros.
All right. Thank you, Sylvia. Miss Aishat, I can see Miss Mona Lisa. So please introduce her. Miss Aishat, are you here?
Yeah, I can hear you. Thank you everyone for contributing. Yeah, we have our co-founder here. Her name is Mona Lisa Agbata, even though we are just like close to rounding off the class because Mr. Mike's PC is kind of low. So right now, just say if you have any question, let's use the comment section to ask. I see that we all are giving our feedback and I see that most of us totally understand. So hi Mona Lisa, are you there?
Yes, very much here. Thank you. Yes, I thought to drop by and say hi to everyone and congratulate everyone for making it to this session. I hope it's very rewarding for all of us. Um, One thing that we want to do with especially this program, if you check, you'd find that there are a bunch of programs all happening at the same time at one there. But we thought there was actually a need to have a specialized front where we onboard women. So if anyone is really, really passionate about getting started with this journey, we are making special slots for women in all things because we want to really carry the ladies along and see how much they can contribute to the ecosystem because we believe that they have what it takes. Some of our previous hackathons, which was where this inspiration came from, we usually would have just a few women. Last year we recorded about 300 plus hackathon registration, and then we had rarely 23 women in that number. So that was very, very, very low and appalling. So this is just an intro. It's a fundamental one. If one is ready to continue, then they want to stick around and wait for additional information for the long-term program that will actually help you become a full stack Web3 developer. But my own personal desire is that we are able to produce full stack developers from Web3 developers, blockchain developers from this program. But of course, that is beyond me. That depends on how far you are willing to go. There are opportunities in the ecosystem for the women, but the women are not there. Most times they are rarely there. So we encourage you to take what you are doing here seriously and get to the finishing line. Without that, there really can be no progress. So congratulations to everyone who was selected for this program and wishing all of us a very fruitful process.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I don't know. Mr. Mike, are you there?
Yes, I'm with you. Please
So
tell us
I was
about.
saying that, what do you say?
Okay, I said don't forget to tell us about the premium bootcamp that is coming.
Yeah, I mentioned earlier that after our free boot camps, we always have like a premium boot camp, which is like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months long, depending on the type of program that we are running at that particular point in time. You can join for a longer period of time, and at the end of your boot camp, you have the opportunity to even have a placement into a particular organization, right? If some of our partners that reached out and want people to actually be placed in their organization for internship, you are actually opportune to be that person, especially if you go through our bootcamp. Yeah, so one them is also hosting Code Africa conference, a conference that is bringing together developers and founders. However, we are hosting this is our second edition, and we are hosting that in Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. I mean, we are like after East Africa, definitely West Africa and like that, like that. So yeah, I can share that. I can share that flyer in the community. We are still together for the next 4 days, and as time goes, we'll continue to like share information about our paid boot camp and also this boot camp. And like I said, if you have any question, feel free to share it. Feel free to ask in the community and tag me. I would also tag Mr. Michael so that he can answer your question. Right. So I don't know, does anyone have a question? We can use the hand raise function on Zoom so that I can call you and you can ask your question. Please feel free to ask any question that you might have because we don't want you guys going off with half-baked knowledge. At least if we are going to have a foundation, let us have a very good foundation, right? Yeah, so if anyone has any question, I can see some people just joining us. Unless I forget, this recording will be available on our YouTube channel. I would always drop the YouTube link within the community so that you can always go through the recap. All right. And after this boot camp, we'll definitely get a certificate. This introductory boot camp will definitely get a certificate, but we need you to attend the classes to have access to a certificate. Hi, Karen. Okay, you just
Oh,
muted.
hi. Oh, sorry,
Okay,
sorry. I did not realize I was unmuted.
okay. So yeah, before Mr. Mike, what's it called? Laptop goes off. I just want to say, I just have a request from you ladies, and I would really be glad. I would be really glad. Oh God, English. I would be glad if you guys can actually grant me that request, which is I would love us to take like an onboarding picture. So I would love us to turn on our camera so that we all can just have a screenshot of this recording. Please, I will really need you to turn on your camera if you don't mind. But yeah, thank you. You're helping me, guys. This is part of my job. So yeah, I'll be the first to turn on my camera. Hi, Hawa. Thank you. Coincidentally, we are both putting on red. That's nice. Mr. Mike, if you don't mind, would love to have your camera on. Hi, Faith. Thank you for turning on your camera. Hi, Metrine. Please turn on your camera. Hi, Scholar. Oh, Scholar, thank you. Is that your name, Scholar?
Yeah, that's my name.
Wow, nice. I'm even surprised I'm not murdering everybody's name. Hi, Namesy. Aisha, how you doing? Hi. Hi, Angel. Please, I want more people to have their cameras on. Mr. Mike, are you there? Hi, Fahim. Hi, Hayo. Hi, Stella. Please, guys, turn on your camera. Thank you. Guys, let's turn on our camera, please. Hi, Angel. Hi, Sylvia. Olamide, are you there? Hi. Oh, fine. Thank you. Thank you, Sylvia. Metrine, Ayo, Stacy, Stella. Hi, guys. I mean, we can also use this to update our socials, especially for those that are building in public and just want to put it out there that they are attending a class. I mean, everybody's just running. Hi, Stella. Okay. Oh, my friend is asking if the 6 months program is paid or free. The 6 months program is actually paid. Honestly, we have to pay the tutors also. And we are not bringing half-baked tutors to you guys. We are bringing tutors that knows their onions. Hi, Sylvia. I love your braids. If that is your hair, I really, really like it. It's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, I think I'll just. Okay, Mr. Mike. Let me just take it. I think not everyone wants to turn on their camera. Hi, Olamide. Are you there? It's nice seeing everyone's faces. It's nice seeing your faces. Thank you very much. Oh, that's fine. I think I'm done now. I've taken pictures. I mean, I saw some people and I'm able to take that picture. Everybody looks so beautiful. It's really nice seeing you guys. So tomorrow is another class. We'll be sure to send another reminder through our mails so that we can easily join the classes and we can get reminders before the classes, maybe an hour or two before the class, so that if anyone is doing anything, they can get their mind prepared. And I want to just advise us to actually join these 4 days of classes. might not be very intense, but it would be a very good, solid introduction to blockchain development, especially for people that are looking to go in depth, right? To be a very good introduction. In case you see any other free boot camp, it would be very easy to have like a landing for you to participate in that boot camp, right? So I always advise people to actually concentrate in doing when they are attending this free boot camp. Just because it's free doesn't mean it's not quality, right? So yeah. So right now we are done for the day. Like I said, I will drop the recording of this on the Telegram channel. And I would also drop our link to